How to only see friends post on Instagram. So, here is how to only see your friends post on Instagram in chronological order, not based on the algorithm. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Instagram app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram account, at the home page, you can see there are many photos or videos available from the people or group that you do not follow. Now, to keep only your friends or following, all you have to do is go and tap on the Instagram icon available at the top left corner of your screen, and from the drop down, tap on the following. Only post from people you follow. Now, all you have to do is scroll down and see. This shows post only from accounts you follow in chronological order. Newest post appears first, no suggested posts or ad. It is great for staying updated with real friends, family, or creators you care about. No algorithm interference. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.